everyone! Today I'm going to answer 5 different questions in 5 different languages. So I hope you're gonna like it because I didn't do this before.
Hello guys! Today we're gonna do something really different. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Bill.
And I'm Selyna.
And we are Raised in Thailand. And I think that concludes our English part. That was the English question. So what do we have next? What language are we going to do next?
Thai.
Okay, and today we have Selyna's mother here because I don't speak Thai. And so I thought maybe she could ask Selyna a question in Thai.
โอเคแม่อยากถามน้องว่าที่โรงเรียนเป็นยังไงบ้างแล้วก็มีกิจกรรมอะไรที่รู้สึกว่าชอบแล้วก็ทำกับเพื่อนๆแล้วสนุกค่ะ
ที่โรงเรียนหนูชอบกิจกรรมกีฬาสีมากที่สุดเพราะว่ามันมีเชียร์ลีดเดอร์ดัมเมเยอร์แล้วก็มีนักกีฬาแล้วหนูก็ชอบเป็นดัมเมเยอร์ที่โรงเรียนมากเพราะว่ามันสวยค่ะ
Alright, very good. So if any of you guys are Thai, you can write a comment below to answer that and comment on that. The next is, okay, what's the next language?
Spanish?
Yes, and nobody here speaks Spanish, so we need to ask AI for help. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to ask Selyna a question in Spanish, and then we'll see what happens. Hello, ChatGPT. Can you ask Selyna, my daughter, a question in Spanish?
Of course. Here it goes. ¿Me puedes hablar un poco de tu escuela y qué haces ahí?
Voy a una escuela tailandesa con un programa en inglés. Somos 29 alumnos en la clase. Tengo asignaturas como matemáticas, ciencias y otras más.
Okay, I didn't understand any of that, but I think that's we should celebrate that. Okay, so we got, what's the next language then?
Norwegian.
Yeah, we almost have so many languages that we can't even remember which one. Okay, so Norwegian, I'm gonna ask the Norwegian question because my native language is Norwegian. Kan du fortelle litt om globalskolen?
Ja, Globalskolen en skole på nett som jeg bruker hver dag til å studere litt om Norge og ting.
Yeah, exactly. And just to translate what she said, that the global school, Globalskolen, is a school that I use every day to study Norwegian on the internet. And yeah, that was about what she said. Okay, so now we have gotten to the bonus language. And it's like a secret bonus language. And I'm going to ask the question in English so that you guys can follow along and understand a little bit better. Okay, so here comes the secret bonus language. How old are you? Okay, so what language is that? So it... Alright, so that is an animal language? Yeah?
Subscribe and like
That's
this
a good idea.
video.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
If you want to do something with your own kid, I have something for you. So if you are teaching a foreign language to your kid that you don't speak yourself, you can click the video on the left side, and that has 3 faces. It'll go through, and all the resources for that video is free. But if you are a multilingual family, you can press the playlist on the right side. And here we have many videos and resources that can guide you through all the aspects of being a multilingual family.